compliments you? You have to wash it and brush it. Yeah. Wash and brush. Cuckoo. It's a comb. This is a comb. This is what Mama's using. But you can't put in your mouth.
Hey.
Yeah. You stay still. We can be done soon. God, so many tangles. You got so many tangles in your hair. Separate them with our fingers, it's easier. Jeez, ow. The price we pay to have nice hair. Yummy. Yummy, Giraffe?